Okay. So, our today's topic is VAS. It is nothing but the value added services. So I have explained about this particular part. Okay, what do you mean by value added service and why we require this and all. But again, we're going to see. See, let us consider you are storing certain products. Okay, some products are there. You want to have a cold storage for those particular products. Okay, cold storage. Or else you are bringing iron rods. Okay, for not to get it rusted, you are doing the painting or oiling on them. Okay, or else some companies are there, they require the a particular product from the particular company. Okay, see, like let us consider Yash is there. Yash wants to, or else Atos wants to give you the bags. So it will not going to just give the bags of a Nike or the some Adidas company bags to you. Okay, they want to put their logo on the bags, then they're going to provide it to you. So that is how, okay, we are giving some value addition over those products. Okay, so that is nothing but the VAS. For VAS also, few things are important here. Okay, understood about the VAS now, what do you mean by VAS and all?
Yes.
Or else, let us consider
the product, yeah.
Or else, if you are very basic thing, if you are considering, if you are going to your nearby Kirana store and in the provision store, there third will be for 10 rupees, but he will going to charge you some 11 rupees. In the bus stand also, some cool drinks, if you are taking, if it is 20 rupees, then they are going to charge 21, 22 rupees. Why they are charging 22 rupees? Because they are keeping into the fridge, okay, and they are maintaining some refrigeration for them, okay, so that they are taking that value addition charge actually. Okay, so that is how we're going to maintain the VAS. Okay, so this is the simple thing. Okay, so for the VAS also we should have the what is that work center, and VAS relevance is one more important thing we need to maintain. Okay, and the pack spec is mandatory. Okay, here, okay, in the interview you may get to get this question: what is mandatory to create the VAS? Okay, if you are taking the process of VAS in the POC, what are the mandatory things? If somebody is asking here, VAS relevance need to be maintained. This is first thing. Second thing is work center is required. Okay, work center anyway we have to create. And third is pack spec, packaging specification. Okay, is mandatory. We need to create the packaging specification. Without the packaging specification, you cannot able to take the VAS. Okay, so these are the three important things which are required for the value added services. Okay, and here we will going to see it. Okay. Okay, so here I'll go to SPRO, means this IMG. Okay, SPRO, IMG. Under this, go to the SCM EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Go to the cross process settings. Under the cross process settings, we're going to get the value added service. Okay, value added service. If you go inside, these are the different things which are available for us. Okay, first thing we need to know is whether we have defined the number ranges for the VAS or not. We have defined it, we'll just check it. Okay, so for 1100, if you are checking the intervals, so VAS is available. VS we have maintained 60,000 range. Okay, we have maintained it. So this is done for us. Okay, number range I have not mentioned because it is already there. Okay, here I have not mentioned the number range because it is already there. What are the important things? I am just mentioning it to you. Okay. Second thing is here one more thing is the activate order document management for the VAS. Actually, we will not going to take care of this. Okay, here only one activation tick should be there. Okay, log output at as list like that, it should be activated. Okay, that is the only thing. and it will be always activated only. Okay, by default it will be activated. Okay, so if you are maintaining some labor management or ad management, by default they are inactive in status. Okay, if you want them, then we're going to do the activation. Okay, so at that time we're going to discuss about them. Okay, next thing is the define relevance for us. This is important thing here. Okay, I'll go to the define relevance for us. Okay, so where we're going to maintain what is that? Let us consider we have product group type and the product groups. That time, what do you mean the product group type? Okay, let us consider you are using some electrical equipments. Let us consider. So all electrical equipments, I will going to make it into one particular group. Okay, so that is the product group type. And what is the product group? Within that, I may be having the switches. I may be having the different wires. Okay, they are the product groups. Under the product groups, we're going to get the products. Just like your what is that in a we're going to get the material types, material groups, and materials. Just like how we're going to see. 1 minute, I'll show you. See, for the side, how we're going to do the material segregation. No? First, we're going to take the material types. Okay, then material groups will come under this, and then materials will come. Just like this, we here just consider the products. That's it. Okay, product types, product groups, and products. Product types, you can take n number of product types. Okay, like mechanical is the one product type, electrical is one product type, like gaseous products is one product type. Like that you can take. Okay, ROH. Okay, if you are telling about the SAP, we're going to get the ROH, that is the raw material, finished good, tradable goods, that is HAVA. Okay, semi-finished good. Like that, we're going to take the product types. Within that, products. Okay, let us consider you are taking the ROH as the product type at the high level. Okay, then what are the product material groups there? You may be having n number of material groups: mechanical, electrical, gaseous, liquid, anything you can take in the product groups. Under the product group, we're going to get the materials. Let us consider if you are taking the mechanical, you may be considering the engine and valves or some piston. Okay, like that you will be considering. Okay, if you are taking the electrical switches, sorry, not switches. Switches will come under. You can. Okay, it is about your perception. However, how the business is taking the groups, then under that, how the business is taking the products or the materials. Okay, just like that, we'll be having a products for us. Okay, so like that we're going to maintain it over here. Okay, so whenever you will be using these products and all, okay, that time this VAS relevance is must. Okay, so if you want to maintain some VAS for some products, means that time we'll create the product group and maintain the VAS. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to the SAP screen here. Okay, and I'll open this define relevance for VAS. Okay, here nothing is there for the 1100. If you go to the new entries, okay, here my warehouse is 1100, and it is asking for the document category. Okay, we are creating some document category now. Just click over here. We are having an inbound delivery and outbound delivery, for which I have creating right now. I have creating it for the inbound delivery as of now. Okay, inbound delivery as of now, and document type is there. Okay, and item type is there. Product group is there. Packaging pack spec. What is that? Okay, packaging specification is important, as I said. Okay, so one more thing. What is the control? Okay. So packaging specification, we will going to maintain some 0 VS size will going to come. See here, this is the VAS order. Okay, so this is for the good receipt process. Okay, so this one it is must. Okay, and VAS order. Okay, so it is there like do not create automatically is there, or else you can say create when creating the warehouse task. Okay, so whenever I am creating the warehouse task warehouse request, that time I want to create this VAS order like that I mentioned here. Okay, if you are just opening this, yesterday Jay might have asked about this, correct? No, what do you mean by VAS order like that? Okay, creation of the document for the value added service. See, sometimes we'll going to VAS order means what? whenever I am taking the material through VAS, that time whatever the warehouse task will going to generate, that will be under the VAS orders. Okay. So what I am telling, VAS order need to be created when creating the warehouse request. Okay. Whenever I am creating the warehouse request, that time the VAS order should create, like that I am explaining here. Okay. And packaging specification. Okay. So existing check, it is available here. Okay. So I'm not conducting existing check, okay, because I'll be maintaining it, okay, packaging specification, I'll be maintaining it. And partner role we have to provide, okay, partner role we have to provide. I'm going to take it as a vendor as of now, okay. And next thing is document date and type, okay. So this one T delivery, like that it will come. What do you mean by T delivery? I'll say you. It is not available. Okay, inbound delivery we can say, but yeah, here T delivery it is there, no, it is available. What do you mean by T delivery means? Actually, whenever you are considering the time, okay, so it is going to consider the delivery date and the time, whatever the things, okay. Let us consider you are doing some what is that? Uh, 1 minute, I'll tell you. Okay, okay. So why this is important for you? Okay, whenever you are creating such things, why we will going to take the T delivery means time and date. Why we are considering means it will be helpful for us to whenever you are delivering the material. Okay, we have the pick logics. Okay, first in, first out, last in, first out. That time, whatever the delivery you are creating, that will be based upon the time and the date. Okay, based upon this only will be processing further. So that is why this is important for us. Okay, so T delivery I'll be providing it over here. Okay, and document type it is taken in INB automatically. Okay, so we have given the what is that? Sorry, inbound we have given it here. Okay, item type and all I don't think it is necessary for us. Okay, here I have will not going to take anything. Okay, so anyway we are creating this class, right? So we're not going to take anything for as of now. Okay, just click enter. Okay, this is mandatory fields, whatever it is there, I have filled it. Okay, just save this. And if we want, we're going to check for some other purposes also. Okay, data was saved. Go back. We can check it for if somebody had created means. So we have not created. Okay, earlier I have not created for this. Okay, anyway, 0001, if you are checking for this also, they have maintained some VAS here. Okay, 1 minute. I have. So 0 VSI is the packaging specification. So here I need to put item type is IVAS. Okay, so this one I have to keep it. Okay, so here also they have maintained the same thing. IVAS I need to put it. That is important. Okay, so that one now I can able to change it. What? Yes.
What is the second option? Sri, I mean VAS order create when creating warehouse.
Yeah, it is one more thing is that do not create automatically and create at the first goods posting. See, whenever you are clicking the goods receipt posting, no, that time only if you want to create the VAS, okay, that time you will not be having some deconsolidation activity or nothing. Whatever the materials are coming, they are directly moving to the VAS. Then from the VAS, they are going to the some storage type. Okay, that time you can provide this. But now, as of now, okay, whatever the PVC I'm doing, that is having some deconsolidation activity as well. Correct, no? So here it is saying create at first goods receipt posting means once I'm going to click on the goods receipt, then it will going to create. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but what I'm saying, create when creating the warehouse request. See, whenever I'll be creating the warehouse request, I'll be creating the warehouse request for what is that? The goods receipt. Whenever I'm unloading, whenever I'm putting it to the deconsolidation, whenever I'm putting it to the VAS, everywhere I'll be creating the warehouse request, right? So when I'm going to take it at the VAS center, that time it should create like that I'm saying here. Correct, no?
Okay.
Okay. So
for this separate number and just do we have
yes, yes.
This,
yes, I just now shown. Okay, if you go back, you have the number in this here. Okay, the first we have defined it no very earlier.
Okay. Sorry.
No, it's okay. So we have defined the number in this also. Correct, no?
Okay, fine.
So I will just go back. Okay, this is VAS allowance is completely related to the EWM topic. Okay, it is not related to ERP. Okay, we should remember that. And here I'm going for the VAS allowance. I have to put a one more thing here, but I cannot able to. I'll just say new entry only you can create, not an issue. 1100 for this document category. INB I'm taking, and here this is 0 VSI. This is the only thing. Okay, what we are having the procedure is 0 VSI is the only procedure. Okay, for outbound we are having 0 VSO. Okay, this is the inbound delivery. For the goods receipt I'm taking this one. Okay, and I'm providing this partner. I'm going to put the vendor and this is delivery. Okay, so here I'm taking the inbound delivery. This is the document type is INB. Okay, for inbound I'm taking, and item type I have to take the item type. It is for the VAS, okay, standard item type. Okay, yeah, we have to provide this standard item type. Okay, so this is the entire set. Okay, just say this. So I have created for my warehouse. Okay, so if you don't want to have the earlier one, just delete that. Okay, it will not going to matter for us. Okay, just delete this. So we have only one for us. Okay, so this is enough. And this VAS relevance. Okay, as I said, the VAS relevance is very important. And go back. Next thing, we have to see the warehouse number dependent VAS settings. Okay, warehouse number dependent VAS settings. We have to just go and check here. Okay, so whether anything is maintained for us. Okay, just take this, go to the details. See here, we are taking a warehouse number, and warehouse number range is VS. Okay, we are performing entertainment not relevant, like that they are telling. Okay, initially we will be checking a not relevant only. Okay, whatever it is there, just take this only. See here, you can able to do the VAS length based upon the supplier or the vendor, contract packages or the warehouse. But as of now, I will not consider all these things. Okay, when means this why we are checking this, whether warehouse settings number it is maintained or not, like that we are taking this. And here packaging specification production group product group type. Okay, if you are maintaining with some vendor and all, what is the packaging specification product type group, and VAS utilization stock type, and planned time, what is the planned time and all, we will going to maintain over here. Okay, if you are taking any vendors and all. As of now, I am not taking the those particular things. Okay, so it is not required also. And next thing is where we'll going to. Okay, here I have explained. Okay, we need to maintain some product groups. Okay, once I'm going to move towards this one, not here, where I have mentioned that product groups and all things we have mentioned. No, here only I think 1 minute. Yes, here product group type. Okay, stock type it is mentioned over here. Okay, where we will going to maintain this particular part. Okay, when it is required. Okay, whenever you are having the products and you are maintaining certain what is that product type group only for this, the VAS should be happen like that. Then you should go to the global level of the product. Okay, /n/SAP APO /MAT1 you should go. See, we cannot able to change. Okay, whatever the tabs are coming over here, no, you cannot able to change them in the warehouse level data. Okay, warehouse level, wherever the material you are maintaining, no, /SCWM/MAT1, there we cannot able to change. Only few things will be there. We're going to change only at the global level. Okay, I'll just give my product. Okay, MAT1 I'm going to give global level data. Just give a display. Okay, if you are changing these things, no, you cannot able to change at the master material level. Okay, I'll just open that also. Okay, here /SCWM/MAT1 is there. No, here you cannot able to change this 1100. If you are going for change also, see here it will not going to give option for the change. Okay, so in this case, what we will do, whatever, like sometimes you want to change only at the what is that EWM side. You don't want to have it at the ERP side. Okay, then what you will do, you will going to go to the properties to view, and here you have the product group and the product what is that product group type and product group. Okay, here you are going to mention and you will proceed further. Okay, so these things very few times we will going to use them. Okay, this also we going to see in the later stages, but as of now for the VAS I'm not going to maintain this. Okay, so are you clear with this?
Yeah, how can we edit in case if there is any requirement on this tabs?
Here you go, no? Change you go. You can edit here. 1 minute. What is that? global data. Currently, okay, sorry, I have locked it over here. Go back. Go to the change. Okay, here you can change. Okay, see here now I can able to edit the things. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So next thing is, okay, here I have mentioned 3 steps. One is VAS length is maintained, okay, and work center is required, okay. So why work center is required? Let us go to the what is that? Our topic of PYC. Okay, let's go to the PYC. Fashion, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management, cross process settings. Under that warehouse task, here go to the POSC, process oriented storage control. Here, what we have defined these 3 steps. See, okay. And what we have mentioned is first unloading will going to happen. After that, deconsolidation will going to happen. Then the put away is happening now. Okay. But we need to define our next external step also. That is VAS, value added service. I'll say here, I'll say new entries. Okay. External step is I'll say double one VAS. Okay. Double one VAS. Let us give something like this. And here 1100 VAS, okay, and view. And what is the internal step we have to assign? Whatever the step it is there for the VAS, no value added service, I need to assign this. Okay, here it is. Okay, VAS. Just save this. Okay, I am creating one more external step for me. Okay, because I need to take it through this, right? Here I'll just show you. This is how I am defining. Okay, so first the material is coming. The material is unloading first in the GR zone. Then we are moving into the deconsolidation. There we're going to break the pallet or the carton box, whatever it is there. Then that one will going to send it to the VAS, that VAS work center. There some value addition will going to take place for the material. Then we're going to show into particular storage bin. Okay, like that we are taking it. So for that I have created one external step. Now I'll go to the storage process here. Go to the storage process. Okay, position 1100. Storage process is maintained at the what is that warehouse level. Okay, just open this. Go to the assign storage process steps. Okay, here we have only 3 things now. Okay, so I want to add after the deconsolidation. I want to do the VAS also. So what you can do, just remove this py. You just give the VAS. Okay, and you have to tick this one. Okay, because here auto warehouse task has to get generated. Okay, then just say new entries. I'll say 11 py. Put away I'm doing. Okay, that's it. So save this. Go back. Here you can see 4 different steps. Okay, this is how it is going to take now. Okay, so for this, okay, if you want to maintain some storage control and all, we need to have the what is that work center. Okay, first I'm going to create the work center. Okay, slash n SPRO ING. First we have to for creation of the work center, first I have to create the what is the storage type, right? So I'm going to create the storage type first, then coming to the work center. Okay, so go to the master data, then the storage type. Okay, you can copy, okay, whatever it is available for us. Okay, you can copy from that also. So we have created the work center for DCTP, something like that we have created. What is that? Okay, yeah, DCTP, DCSF is there, no? Just copy it. Okay, so we're going to give VAS. Okay, this is for, let us consider 11 VAS only I'm going to give. Okay, this is 1100 VAS work center. Okay, like that I'm going to give. For the work center, you know that role should be E here. Okay, and I have confirmed the put away, and I'm giving the put away rule something. And here capacity check, it should be maintained. Okay, for the work centers, it is must, and I'm removing. Okay, what is that? Confirm removal. I'm saying here. Okay, and I have created this work center. Okay, just click enter and save it. Okay, I have created one storage type as of now. Okay, create the section as well as the bin for this. Okay, I am creating one section. Okay, just some normal section we're going to create. Okay. Okay, just copy this. Here I'm going to change it as 11 VAS. Okay. Save it. So I have to create the bin now. For the bin. Okay. Okay, it is at some VAS. Okay, I'm going to take this for creation of the bin /n/scwm /ls01. Okay, where I'm going to create the bin 1100 VAS bin. Okay, like that I'm going to create. So here it is 11 VS. This is the storage type, and the 000 is the section for me. Just save it. Okay, this is the bin what I have created. Next, okay, tell me what is the next step I have to create. Sequentially will go, so you can remember it very easily like that. Okay, what I have to create now? Yes, I have to go for the work center creation, correct? No, just after creation of the storage type as a work center, I have to create the work center, correct? So just go here. So specify layout is there, no? So we don't have the layout for us. Okay. So I need to copy that also. For the VAS, this is the VAS1 is the value added service. This is the one. I need to copy it. I'm going to create it for the 1100. Okay. So these are the some different things which are available. Okay. So as of now, we'll see them. Okay. When I'm going to show the layout now, that time we're going to see them. But as of now, I have just copied it. Go to the define work center. Okay, here say new entries. 1100 is the what is that warehouse number. I'm going to say work center as well 11 VS only. Okay, so I'll say 1100 VAS work center. I'm going to create it here. What is the external step? 11 VS. Am I right? This is the external step we have given here. See here. 11 VS is the external step. Okay, and the storage type 11 VS only. And inbound delivery section and outbound section. Okay, and repack. Okay, we have defined the 3040. The same repack will be remains here. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, see, I cannot able to tick this for the deconsolidation. I have ticked this one. If you are remembering, why I cannot able to tick is you should remember one more sentence. One more sentence for the VAS. Important because sometimes they're going to ask in the interview also. For VAS, it is not possible to do the RF. Okay, you should remember this. It is not possible to do the RF. Means remote function. What is that? This radio frequency will be there now. We cannot use this radio frequency for the VAS. What is that? VAS functions. Okay, whatever the things means I can able to. Okay, for with the remote functions. I can able to put the material from the decon bin to the VAS work center. But here, whatever the process it is taking place, I cannot able to do it through the what is that? Through the RF. But this one I can able to do. The entire activity I am going to do it through the RF. But for the VAS, it is not possible. You can able to put the materials. Okay, this is the VAS. You can able to put the materials, but you cannot able to process the functionalities within the VAS. Okay, that is the one drawback. Okay, so RF is not possible. Okay, you should remember this. So, okay. So you don't take this. Okay, and layout I want to provide. Okay, that is just now I have taken that layout now and providing it. 1 minute. Is gone, I think. I'll come again. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, Standard Warehouse Management, master data. If you go to the work center, I was creating the work center, right? So define work center, I said, and I'll say anything is created. Okay, nothing is created. Say new entries. 1100. Work center is 11 VS. 11, okay, VAS work center. And external step I said 11 VS. Okay, and storage type it is 11 VS only. And section 0001. And in outbound section, this one 3040 we have defined. Okay, this one layout I need to select as whatever we have created just now. I am going to select that VAS1. Okay, that is for the VAS. Okay, I have selected this VAS1, and we can able to save this action. Okay, all these things it is not mandatory, and here okay, so some check shop for the root is there, and repack active work warehouse task are there. Okay, so all these things, even so many things are available here. Okay, so WPT HU from production planning. Okay, so all these things even I don't know. Okay, so I don't know all these things. Okay, so we'll just use these things. Okay, whatever the important settings are there, we are using them. Okay, and we're going to save this. And I'm going to show you what is this zero VSI looks like. Okay, how this VASI, sorry, S1 work center layout will going to looks like. Okay, once you will going to create the work center, what is the next step here? Just after creation of the work center, what we have decided yesterday, we will going to maintain the master data attributes, correct? No? So here, if you are going down, it is a master data. Under that, you have to go to the work center. What is the work center? Here, work center. Just maintain this define master data attributes. Okay, you need to maintain your what is that bin, right? So 1 minute. Where I have okay. So just go back. No. Okay, here I need to maintain my bin. Okay, so whatever the bin I have created for the VAS, okay, where the VAS is taking place, that is the bin. Okay, master data attributes means here the VAS will going to take place like that. Okay, value added service is taking place within this bin like that. Okay, just save this. Okay, so we have maintained this. Now I'm going to just tell about the layout. Okay, so we'll just open the VAS layout here. Same, just similar to okay, sorry, extend device management. Go to the execution. Under the execution, you're going to get the value added service where it is there. And icon is available. Create confirmation. Okay, create confirmation for the VAS. Okay, VAS EXEC. This is the transaction what we're going to use for the looking at the VAS. This one. Okay, what is the work center? 11 VS is the work center. Okay, this is for the VAS. If you are opening also, you're going to see it. Okay, so this is the VAS work center. And here status for the VAS order is there. Okay, whether the VAS order is completed or else 4 options will come here. Okay, for you. Not in process, completed without the quantity deviations, and completed with quantity deviations. Like that, 4 different options will come. Okay, if you want all 4, you just use A to D and you get execute. Okay, as of now, we don't have anything. Okay, just execute this. Okay, how it will going to look like. So see, this is the tree. Okay, so here we are having some parent node. Okay, and these are the different tabs what we're going to get, where we're going to see all these things. If you are going and checking it over here, work center, specify work center layout. Okay, just check for this. Okay, same we have copied. No, just check for this. Okay, here we have tick mark for everything. Okay, this one you have already seen. Okay, whatever it is not required, you just remove it, and whatever it is required, you can keep it. Okay, so you can keep some extra things also. Okay, counting serial numbers and all. Okay, whenever the serial numbers you are taking, that time serial numbers is important. That is one more topic is there. We'll try to cover that also, serial number topic. Okay, that is also some important thing is there. Okay. So this is how VAS work center looks like. Okay, once I am going to bring the products over here in the VAS work center, how we're going to operate, we're going to check it. Okay, so we're going to check that. So now we're going to go to the what is that PUC, that is second step we need to maintain. No? So I'll just go back and goods. Okay, cross process settings, value, sorry, not value service. What is that? Warehouse task. Okay, PUC. Under that we have defined For the external step, we have created storage process, we have created, and we have sequentially arranged them. Then we have to create the second step. Okay. So if you are just observing 1100, okay, we have created what is that rule based. Okay, we have maintained it now. Okay, rule based. It is okay. Okay, if you are maintaining rule based, also you can take it to the VAS, not an issue. So for the VAS, we have to maintain one more step. That is, I'll say new entries. Okay, now the product is in deconsolidation. Let us assume. Then how it should move? 1100 I'll give. So our external step. What is our external step? That is 11. VS is the external step. Okay, whether we need to provide a source. Yes, guys.
Yes, we may have to provide.
No, because whatever the deconsolidation step is there, no, it is whatever the end step is there. That is the source for here. Yesterday also we have discussed, correct?
Yeah. Yeah, but that source information, is there any requirement that there is no need to maintain source over here? Or,
yeah, see, whenever you getting the source, why you should maintain it here? You are already having it, right? In the here, I have maintained it sequential arrangement of the steps. Unloading means what? I am giving the, see, you remember in WPT, I have given the door as the source, correct? No, you remember that? Okay, so from the door, I have given the source. Okay, because we don't know the source that time, I have given the source while unloading. Unloading means source is door. Then I am through the what is that deconsolidation. Okay, we are giving the destination bin. Okay, as of now, we have taken the what is that rule based. Okay, we have given the destination. But then we are okay. The destination is defined for the unloading. Okay, means what it is happening here. Okay, so source I am giving the door, destination it is taking the GR zone. We are defining it from the anyway. This is the next step for the deconsolidation. What it should move from here, it should go to the deconsolidation station. Correct. So already source is there. We have to just mention the destination. Here destination also mentioned with the rule only. Now the source is there. I have to mention the destination. Correct, no?
right.
So I will, okay. So, but the warehouse process type is important. So I'm going to maintain 3060. As I said, 3060, we're going to use it for the movement of the HU within the internal movement of the HU. Okay. So, all right, again, one. SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Exchange Warehouse Management, your cross process settings, warehouse task, okay, POSC. Okay, don't get confused here. Okay, this is important. Okay, don't get confused. So I'll say new entries. Sorry, not new entries here. Here I have to go. I'll say new entries. I'm just explaining my next step. That is 1100. This is my warehouse, and external step is 11 VS is the external step. I don't want to give any source or the HU type. Based upon HU type group, also you can able to proceed. Okay, if the HU type group is 11 G1, then how the destination should take place. If the HU type is 11 G2, how the HU type should destination should take place. But whatever the HU type is there, we are just sending it to the same destination only, right? So that is why I'm not maintaining it here. Okay. So if you want to maintain, you can maintain that also. That is one more thing. Okay. So here warehouse process type, I'm going to use as 3060 is the warehouse process type, and I need to give the destination over here. I have just now created the destination like 11 VAS. Okay, 11 VS is my work center, and here I'm going to choose the bin. Okay, I'm choosing the bin. Click enter, save it. Okay, and I said one more thing. I said here. See, packaging specification is mandatory whenever you are creating the VAS. Okay, this one I have said it. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just maintain it for the main product. Okay, so you can maintain it for both the products, but why we'll waste our time? We'll just maintain it for the main product and we're going to proceed. Okay, so when I'm going to go for the VAS. Okay, so I will go to the SAP. where we're going to see that pack spec. Okay, the T code is /n/scwm. You want to go for the path, or is it okay for you? Pack spec. Okay, we're going to use this transaction. Okay, so here we are maintaining our pack spec. Okay, for material 1 it is already there. Just check it. What is there? See, if you are just executing now, you can see here. Okay, so I have deactivated it. Okay, that time I have deactivated it. If you want, you can reactivate and you can proceed. Okay, see, I'll just select this, and if you are saying activate, it will going to get activated. It is not an issue. But for see, but what is the thing? Okay, I'll just go. Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to execute it once again. You can see it is activated, but I have activated it for the inbound. Okay, see, I'll just go here and just go inside. What is the header here? See, 0 IBD is the header. Okay, condition type we have maintained for the 0 IBD. But for the VAS, it is something different. Okay, so it will not going to help for us. Okay, if you want, you can just use the same this one, and you can able to add one more header and you can proceed. Okay, if you want to add the one more header, say create second version, then you can proceed for that. Okay, so I know I don't want, I will going to create one more thing. Okay, that also is possible. I'll just make it deactivated status only. Okay, we're going to create for the material, we're going to create one more packaging specification. See, I'll say new entries. Okay, I'll give the packaging specification group as a 1100 and just select this, go to the details. Here, two products are there, right? So I don't want this auxiliary. Let us consider, we'll just remove this auxiliary and we'll going to proceed. Okay. So how we are going to remove? I'll just click on this, but it is saying level 11L1 cannot be deleted. Okay, where we can, where we have maintained it. Remember, anytime we have maintained it, correct? No, not to delete like that. So if you want to delete some levels over here, okay, so you have to go to the SPRO, okay, IMG, SCM-EWM, extend warehouse management, your master data. Under that, go to the packaging specification. So in the packaging specification, we have to maintain the structure. Okay, maintain the structure for the packaging specification. Here level type. Okay, we have maintained 11L1, 11L2 like that. Okay, see, if you go inside, I have ticked this. See, delete not allowed like that. If you are unticking this and save this, okay, then we can able to delete the what is that this part. See, if you are deleting, it will going to delete them. Or else it is not at all possible. Getting the concept? For this also we have said delete not possible. Okay, so if you want to delete this, then you have to go there and you have to untick that. Then only it will be possible. Okay. So what we'll do? I'll just go to this one and add the product. We're going to do for only one product. Okay. So you just observe this. Same, similar to the other product also. Okay. 1100. Mat one I'll take. Okay. And if you go to the level, I can give, okay, like I'm going to do the VAS for 1 to like 100 quantities, maximum of 100 quantities I can able to do the VAS at a time. Okay, like that I'm giving it out here. Okay, so this is what the level I'll be providing. And one more thing here, packaging material is there. No, you need to provide the packaging material data here. Okay, so just go to the packaging material data, just give some 1100 carton or anything, you can take it here. Okay, just give it. Must maintain the packaging material. This is yeah, this is correct. Okay, main packaging, they are just giving the caution. Okay, you need to maintain the main packaging material like that. They are doing. Changes in the element group will reflect globally. That is fine. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, one more thing. What we have to do here is here. If you are going to the level, okay, double click on the level. Okay, we are at the level. Here something will going to change. Okay, so where will going to go? We have to go to the warehouse tab. Okay, go to the warehouse tab. Here you need to maintain the external step. For the VAS, you need to maintain the external step. Other things it is not required, but for the VAS, you need to maintain the external step over here. Okay, so whatever the external step I have created, like 11 VS I have created, I need to maintain that external step at the packaging specification. Just click enter. Okay, so I have maintained it. So go to the header, okay, because we need to provide the header data, right? So how I'm going to maintain the header data? Just go to the condition. So here there are so many different conditions are there, and I am creating the VAS for the inbound. See, GR means goods receipt. I'll just take this one. And what are the different things it is required for us? See, we require the product, we require ship from party, okay, and only two things are available. See, we have maintained the 0 IBD. For that, we have seen, okay, where these things are maintained and all we have checked it, okay. So I'm going to do the product 1100. Mat 1 is my product. Ship from, okay. I need to check it, okay. Where we're going to check it? Ship from. Just open some inbound delivery in the references, we're going to see, okay. Partners and all, okay. I'll go PRDI screen. It's coming up. Why it will not? Taking some extra time. Okay, leave it. I'll take. Okay, I'll just execute and I want to just take some number. Okay, 1100. I'll just maintain. Execute. I want to take the ship from. Okay, so take any of the document. Where you will going to see the ship from and where you will going to see the vendor? Can anybody tell me? At the header, what you will going to see, and at the item, what you will going to see? If I'm going to the partner, what you will going to see at the header? At the header, you can see the ship from, okay, ship from. But if you are the same thing, if you are going to the item and you want to see the things at the partner, it will be a vendor, okay. So they have given something like this, vendor or the supplier, okay. So 713 is our vendor. So just go here. Okay, not here. Okay, here I'm going to maintain the vendor, that is 700. Again, click enter. Okay, this is enough. Okay, here only I'm going to, I am creating the VAS, what is that, header data. So this is what the header data, what I have required. Okay, this is the packaging specification group. Okay, so just activate this. Okay, here activation is there, no, just activate it. Okay, it will going to get activated. Just wait. Okay, so it is activated, no, and object is saved. Just go back, you can see that. Okay, see 300124. Okay, if you want to create for other material, you create it, or else not required. Okay, if you want to create, we'll just create. Okay, not an issue.
So I was about to ask this question. So this pack specification overview, how many levels whether we will be able to create? Right now we have for two sequences we have created. One is for VAS and one is for other activities, right?
Other activities?
Work center. I mean work center.
No. See what you are asking. Can you ask it once again? So
we have three levels we have created over
here. Two
right?
levels we have created. No, level 1 and level 2 like that.
Not over here. Not over here. Back, one step back.
Okay.
We have deactivated.
Oh, 1 minute.
Batch specification.
Just
right?
a minute. I'll just finish this and we can go. Okay, no, not an issue, right?
Okay.
This
Yeah,
one I'll just delete this and level 2. Okay, so first I'm going to create for the content, add product. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, similarly, I'm creating it. Okay, just a minute. We'll come to your question. Match to go to the level. Some 1 to some 100, anything you can do here. Okay. Warehouse tab, as I said, I need to maintain the double one PS external step. Go to the element. Here I need to maintain packaging material 1100 carton. In the warehouse tab, I have maintained it. Go to the header. This is 0 VSI. Product is 1100 match to 713. Okay. I'm activating it. Because for deconsolidation, I have to bring both the materials. No, that is why I have taken for both. Or else you can take it for only one also. Just save it. It is already saved. Okay, it is not required. Okay, go back. Yes, ask me now.
Yeah. So here, how many packaging specification we can create in one particular material?
Oh, there will be so many. Okay, this actually this packaging specification is there. No, this is one master data for us. Okay, so this packaging specification we need to upload it. Okay, so like we are creating it here. No, we can able to upload this also. For uploading, no, you will going to take the CSV file which will be available here. Or else if you want to have this, like what are the different things we need to maintain and all, if you want to have it, you can just export this entire thing. Okay, this entire thing means only main thing is a format you required. Okay, format will going to come over here, and we need to ask the customers to maintain it. Okay, you can create it for the different materials. Okay, so see here, I have created for the 0 IBD and all. Okay, if you are entering into this, okay, I will go here only. Header, okay, you can just check the header. Okay, here we have maintained for the 0 VSI alone. Okay, but if you want to maintain for some other things, okay, I'll go to the header, and you want to maintain it for some 0 IBD also, we can able to maintain it. Okay, for the same product, you just have to click on the create second version here. Okay, create second version here. Just a minute. Okay, now it is open. Okay, you can take any of these values. Okay, 0 IBD you can take, or else so if you want to pack, okay, so you can take it for the pack somewhere else it is available. 1 minute. VAS is there, warehouse task is there, product supply palletization. Okay, pack is not there, production supply something it is there. No, so for all these things you can able to take. Okay, for one material you can do it for everything. Understanding?
Okay.
Okay, so it is possible. Okay, but as of now we are not considering for anything. Okay, so I'm not going to save that. Do you want to save? I'll say yes, because whatever the things I have taken, okay, so it should be activated state. So it is not activated state. Okay, I'll just activate it. If it is not activated state, then it will not going to come. Okay, so that is the one thing. So I have created two different pack specs here. Okay, now we're going to do one test case. Okay, so how test case will be done, and we're going to check it. Okay, so in the test case we can observe the things, what are the different things are available in that. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just say /n VL31 and I'll go here, and I'll take this purchase order. Okay, we have created this. Okay, same, take this percentage orders and say for the VAS. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, let us consider we are testing one test case. Okay, so here I will take 1 product, save it. Sorry, whether you want to pack it, you can pack, or else just save this, because we have maintained the packaging specification for them. Okay, so when I am going to pack it, no, so it will be having what is that? Packaging will be done for this. Okay, already packaging will be done for this. Okay, we have maintained the packaging specification for the VAS. I have maintained for inbound delivery, whether I have maintained or not. I have not maintained for the inbound delivery, correct? No? So if you want to pack, just go here. Okay, just create one palette. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Yes.
Packaging we can do it from inbound delivery as well as from that inbound.
Yes. Packaging the inbound delivery, if you are maintaining, no, then it will going to pack automatically. For VAS, we have maintained the packaging specification. Only for the VAS we have maintained, correct? No? Sorry, I have not packed them actually.
Yes, for VAS we have maintained.
But inbound delivery I have not maintained. I need to pack. Okay. Anyway, we can pack it in. Now I have not packed it actually. Okay. I just I have to click on the pack, right? So it is not yet happened. Okay, we can able to pack them at the PIDI screen also. You already know about that. Okay. So I will just go to the PIDI screen here. If somebody is forgotten there, they can pack it over here also. Okay. Go to the PIDI screen. It's already opened. Okay, it is opened. Okay, I'll just take it over here only.
You do one-time packaging, that is enough, right? Or
pardon?
If you do packaging one time, that is enough, right?
Yes, sir. It is one time. It is enough. But I have not clicked on the pack. Actually, I have taken the carton box. I have not packed them both the materials. I will show you. Here, if you go to the display, no, it is not packed. Okay, you go here. Click on this. See, it is not packed. Okay, only I have created the palette, but within this there is no material. Here, see, only 1 kg it is. Under this, no materials are available. Like that I'm telling. Okay, or else you can check it here also. If you checking this, okay, just go to the HU. No HU is available because I have not packed them. Okay, so I forget to click on the pack. So what I'll do, I'll just pack it over here, not an issue. Okay, go to the column functions, pack. Okay, what you can do, create one HU, say 1100, palette I'll take, okay, and I'll say execute. So one palette I'm creating, and I'm just dragging and dropping this product. That's it. Okay, I will just save this. I have created one HU here. Okay, save it. Now the materials are in the HU. You can just see that. Okay, here you go and click on the HU, means you can see this HU. Okay, so next go to the inbound delivery, follow-on functions, warehouse task.
That means material is packed, has packed material, we are putting it in one HU.
No, it is not packed actually. It is not packed. See what I have done. No, I'll go to the PL31N. Okay, it is not packed actually. So that is the confusion. I have taken one material. Okay, I have clicked on this and I have selected the palette. Okay, I have selected them. Okay, I have selected them. That time I have not clicked on this. Once I'm going to click, then only it is going to get packed. Correct? No?
Yeah.
This one I have forgot. That is why I have packed it there. This step I have forgot there. That is why I packed the material and I am moving. If you are packing it here, that is not required. Okay. So if you are packing it, okay, I'll just take this one. Okay. That's 3057. I'll take it. Okay. And you can proceed. Not an issue. Okay. 57. 1 minute. I have to go back. There I have not packed. That is why I just packed it in this particular area. Okay. See, I have taken this and you can see the HU for this. See, HU is there. Correct, no? Earlier you cannot able to see the HU, correct? No, that is why I go on to the pack and I have packed it. Are you getting it? Just see the video again, you will get to understand, okay? Because that time we have not packed, that is why I just go to the packaging and I have packed it, okay? So go to the warehouse task.
Sunish, if we are not packing in inbound delivery, we are going to pack it in PRDA screen. Okay, if the packing is done in inbound delivery creation itself, there is no need to come over here and we need to pack over here again. Okay, that I got. But one more pack, spec one keyboard was there, right?
Oh, that one. Oh, you are asking about that. Okay, okay. See, I have maintained it for the 0 VSI. Okay, means VAS I have maintained. I have not maintained for the inbound delivery. If you are maintaining it for the inbound, no, then that is not required. This is the packing and all, it is not required. For inbound, I have not maintained 0 IBD is there, no. For I have not, I have deactivated it. Remember, no? I'll go to the pack spec once. Oh, you are asking about
that. What is the difference? In inbound delivery, you are doing one package, and in pack spec, you are doing one package. What is the difference?
No, if you are doing no, I am not doing it the 2 times. Okay, pack spec I have maintained for the VSI 0 VSI. This one is maintained for the. Okay, if you go inside only, you will going to understand. Here, I'll go to the details. This packaging specification I have maintained for the VAS alone. See here, go to the header. See VAS I have maintained. Condition type is VAS here. Okay, for 0 IBD I have deactivated it. See, this one is for the 0 IBD, means for the inbound I have deactivated it. Only packaging specification is required only for the VAS. That is why I have maintained for that 0 IBD I have deactivated it. If you are maintaining it here, and also if you are packing, that is the wrong thing, because the packaging will go into the automatically here if you are maintaining it. Okay, but I have deactivated it. No, see here it is in the deactivation status. That is why I am packing the material. Getting the idea?
But one thing, if you do the packaging here, whether we require in that PRDS packaging?
Packaging, yeah, packaging, if you are doing it in the VL31N, it is not required in the PRDA script.
Yeah, that is fine. Okay.
Okay.
So when you do packaging in that pack spec T code,
okay.
Whether you do it for VAS or some other process, then in inbound delivery that packaging is not required.
Not
or
required.
It is required.
No, it is not required, because if I am doing there, it will going to pack automatically, right? That time it is not required. Okay, but I am not done there. That is why it is required now.
Okay. In the pack spec you have not done. Now we are going to do it with PRDA.
Yes, PRDA or else in the VL31 and I have to do it. Okay. So for this, I have brought the materials in the palette. So what I'll do, I'll just say create. If I'm bringing it in the palette, where it should go? It should go to the what is the GRA2. Okay. So we have seen it yesterday. Okay, how it will be moving and all. Yes.
Without packaging, we can't keep anything in the warehouse storage bins, right?
We can able to pick. Okay, see this POSC if you are taking, that is with the HU. HU is mandatory for the POSC. Without HU, you cannot able to do it. Okay. So I'll say create plus save here. Then I'm going to open the. I'll just copy this. Open the monitor. You can open the monitor from here also. Okay. Say SAP. Execute. And go to the inbound delivery and warehouse task. Okay, go to the warehouse task. Just give your inbound delivery number. Execute this. Okay, so this is one is there. Okay, if I'm confirming it, how many warehouse tasks will going to generate here? 3 warehouse tasks, because we are ticking the correct. No, we have ticked the HU or the product warehouse task only when it is at the means going for the deconsolidation, like that we have said. So that is why it is creating a 3 different warehouse tasks here. Okay. So when it is creating 3 different warehouse tasks, this is for the product warehouse task. These 2 are for the product warehouse task, and this is the HU warehouse task. Okay. However, we have taken it in the palette. So I'll just select this and I'll say confirm it. Okay. Main thing we need to check about the VAS now. Okay. It is not. It is all these things you have seen it yesterday only. So now it is in the deconsolidation station. Okay. DCSF. So we have to go to the deconsolidation station here. Go to the logistics, SCM, EWM, where is that? Extended warehouse management. Go to the execution. Under that, go to the deconsolidation. Okay, here just take your DCSF work center. We have 2, right? So the palette is there, means it should come to the shop floor. That is why it is came here. Just execute. Now we need to segregate them, okay, into different boxes. Means you have the deconsolidation activity, your source HU 229, and your what is that destination bin, sorry, packaging material we have to give 1100. Carton, in the carton box I want to pack them. Okay, separately I want to pack them. Okay, choose the warehouse task. Okay, this is one warehouse task which is available. Just say okay and execute. Okay, it will going to create one packaging what is that, pack material, and it will going to segregate this. And other one, what I'll do deconsolidation activity, saying carton box warehouse task. Okay, I'll choose the another warehouse task and I'll be taking the material. Okay, and execute this. So it will going to create one more what is that carton, and it is going to take the material. Okay, I have done the deconsolidation, but see, I have placed it from this particular what is that HU to under HU. So if you are just seeing it here, if you are refreshing the screen over here, refreshing the screen, those 2 tasks also it is generated. See, one task is there. Okay, still it is BB only, but it is confirmed. So DCSF to DCSF only it will be happening. Okay, you are going further. Okay, sorry, DCSF to DCSF only it is happening. Means we are changing the HU. This is the source HU and this is the destination HU, and this is the source HU, this is the destination HU. We have changing the HU. But once I'm going to click on completed status. Okay, so I'll just double click on this, or else just click on this and say this complete process for the HU, like that. And here also, for this also I'll be completing the process for HU. Then what it will do, we are telling the process is completed, then it can proceed for the next. Then where it should go next? It should go to the VAS, right? So what I'll do, I'll just confirm this. Okay, it is there now. I'll just refresh this once again. Okay, 2 more are created because next they are going for the VAS. See here, they are going from the DCSF to VAS, DCSF to VAS. Correct? No, I'll just select both of them and create the warehouse task from the background. Okay, warehouse task were generated. Okay, I am confirming them. Okay, they were generated earlier only. I have confirmed them. So here the materials are in the VAS. Okay, what we're going to see in the VAS, we have to check it. Okay, just go here, not here. Okay, just go here, go back, because I want to take the VAS, validated service, create confirmation for the VAS. Okay, just go here. So you just take your work center, that is 11 VS we have created for us. Execute. It should show, okay, whatever it is available, it should show. See, this is one material which is available, and this is the entire material which is available for us. Okay, so this is the entire material which is available for us. Here you have the different options. See, from class order it should come. It is not showing it over here. Here also, what we'll do after the VAS, we're going to just complete the process. Okay, like that we're going to say. But here, why this VAS activity is not coming? I am not getting. Okay, so this VAS activity only we need to proceed. Okay, here only we were generating some VAS orders and all. Okay, So VAS order, it is not coming here. Yes. Yeah, is there. VAS header. Okay, this part and LOS part, I'm going to take it in the next class. Okay, so this one, like, we need to get certain VAS activities at this particular end. Once it will be coming over here, so I will just check it. Okay, where how the VAS activities will come, and I'm going to tell it in the next class. Okay, no. So until this, we have done is whatever we are creating, it is coming for the VAS work center. So until this, we got it. So what we will going to do it in the VAS work center, we're going to see it tomorrow. Okay. Because it is already 7:21, so that is why we'll just hang up the class and we're going to see all these things tomorrow. We'll be seeing the VAS, what is the activity going to take place in the VAS. After the VAS, we'll be putting the material. Okay, put away going to take place based on the strategies. Okay, here only it will be depicting us. Okay, see here. See, this weighting is there, no? It is going from the VAS to some ST01 and it is going from the VAS to some ST03. Like that, it is showing here only. But what is going to take place in the VAS and all, I'm going to show it tomorrow. And again, we're going to see LOSC process also, layer oriented storage control. Okay, so it is very simple process. If I'm just considering the LOS, it will take only half an hour or so. So what we'll do, we'll complete this VAS and as well as the LOSC. Okay, both things we're going to see and we're going to finish it in the tomorrow's class. So tomorrow I'm going to complete the complete inbound delivery process. Okay, and from there, like from Monday, we can go through the value-added services and all. Okay, or else tomorrow is okay. Saturday, right? Okay, tomorrow we're going to complete the yes. Tomorrow we'll finish the entire inbound delivery process. Okay, and if you are going through that and if you have any doubts, okay, you can discuss tomorrow. And from Monday we're going to go through the outbound delivery. Okay. Okay then, yeah, we'll be ending the class here only, and tomorrow we'll be taking this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.